Hey, this video is called the Bozilla equation, or the famous Bo equation. Bozilla, or Bo is just like 4 foot, or it's like 4 something. Black man. He's a funny guy. Bozilla. He's like well, maybe he's like 5 foot. I think he's at least 5 foot. 5 foot something, or at least 5 foot. But he's a short black man. His name is Bozilla, who lives here, and he's a trip. So the equation goes, if Bo devotes, let me take this, I'll keep it on for right now. If Bo devotes 15% to leisure activities, and 6% of his leisure activities and other activities are devoted to going to the store to buy Pepsi and Coke, how many store runs does Bo go on in a one-day period? Or what is the percentage of Bo's leisure store runs? Bo's curfew is 6:30 p.m. The store opens at 8 a.m. So that's the question I set up. So here are the hints that I put. So 15% is out of 11.5 hours. Okay. And another hint is, let's say 24 hours equals 100%. And another hint is, let's say Bo sleeps 7 hours of a 24-hour day. So we know that, despite of that, we know the hours in a 24-hour period, the hours from 8 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. are really the only hours you want to look at, because the store opens at 8 and Bo's curfew is at 6:30. He has to be back at the house by 6:30 p.m. So let's say Bo goes in and out and does whatever he wants, but let's say his curfew is at 6:30 p.m. So between those hours, it's 48%. So out of a 24-hour period, to get that, I did 24 minus 5.5, which gave me 18.5%, which equals 77% of the day, of a 100% 24-hour day. And 18.5 minus 7 equals 11.5. So 11.5 equals 48% of a 100% 24-hour period. So in 11.5 hours, Bozilla goes to the store. So within the 48 hours, I have the percentage things here. 15% is devoted, as I said, it's devoted towards leisure activities, or whatever the hell he does, whatever Bo does, whatever the hell he does. And 33% is other. So we have his leisure activities and his other stuff within that, within that 48-hour range. Bozilla, it says the 6% of his leisure and other activities are devoted to going to the store. So within his leisure activities and his other activities, 6% of that, within that 48% range, 6% of the time he goes to the store. So basically, once I figured out the 48% out of the 100% within a 24-hour period, that gave me once I figured out the 48, so 6% of 48 is 2.88, which is about 3 store runs from 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. equals 10.5 hours. So he has about 3 store runs. Answer rounds off to 2%. So it's 2.88, which rounds off to 3%. So he has approximately 3 store runs within that 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. range. So I hope it's a simple equation. I just trying to get it less than 5 minutes. But anyway, I gotta go. Bye.